Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to implement a caching mechanism in our Django application. Here in my book list API, I'm using a simple API to list all the books. Let's see the results in the browser. I'm hitting my book list API. Here you can see I'm getting all the books without any caching. So let's see how we can implement the caching here. So let's first import some few things. First of all, import method decorator from Django utils decorators. Then let's import cache page. Then import vary on headers. So vary on headers, what it will do is if your user is logged in, then it will store his token with the response. So whenever the specific logged in user comes in, he checks for that user's response and that response is given back to the browser. So in our views, what we will do is we will decorate our get method. You can see method decorator. We will pass catch a page and we are passing here 60 into 60, which means 60 second into 60 minutes. So whatever the response this method will generate, it will be stored in the cache for 1 hour. 60 into 60, 60 second into 60, which is 1 hour. So next step is we will use method decorator again, and for logged in users that means we are varying the response based on authorization header. So that's it for what we want to implement in our caching API. So let's see it in action now. Let's go to the browser. Here as we previously I have shown there was no cache used, but again when I will refresh this, here you can see now three cache have been created and one SQL request is there. Here you can see one query is there for SQL and three cache objects have been created. So now if I hit again this API, here you can see the no SQL query was called. Instead, two caches were created. So what happened is it is revoked from the cache data. It did not executed any SQL query. In this way, what we have done is we have reduced our SQL queries to database. So hence the performance is increased of the API. So I hope this video finds helpful to you and you have learned something new from this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.